guys, Miss Nikki here. We're doing library Labsters again, and this is animal napkin folding. So here's a little cheat sheet of kind of the stuff that you'll need and things like that. And I have my little phone here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna watch a YouTube video just because. And then I already made one earlier. I can kind of give you a little heads up of what it should look like, but we'll see. All right, and I turned the sound off on this, so you don't have to listen to all that. But you have a napkin, and actually you can use a towel or probably even just a little washcloth. So, but yeah, I'm gonna watch this little video. I pretty much have the gist of it. I remember because I tried this a lot. If you see one of the things on my paper, it said patience, so make sure you have that. So I just folded it long ways. I don't know if you can tell or not in the video, but, and then I know he brings it up this way here, and then kind of to the middle, and yeah, we can just keep doing our little cheat sheet. Yeah, so it's just kind of long ways and then over again. All right, and so these little corners on the inside, you just pull it out like that. So that probably is what's making the little fins here. And you pull the bottom corners out as well. All right. So now he almost looks like a little boat or something. I'm not sure what's happening. All right, we're gonna skip because I got that part. All right. So then, let's see here. Put this up this way and that. I think it's starting to come together. I don't know. It's getting close. All right, and then flip that there. Oh, it's got to actually stay together. All right, it's looking like we got the little fins. Ooh. All right, so close. One more. This is what I can never get this one. There we go. Yep. All right. Just pull it in that way. See what happens when we flip him over. See if I made the fish. Oh, he's close. He's close. Can you see? This was the actual fish. I thought I did pretty good with him. All right, guys. So that's animal napkin folding, and hope you can figure it out. And I'm gonna read a book. All right, guys. So I finally got this book back. I had it on hold for a little bit, and that happens sometimes, but it's called Jinxed, and it's by Amy McCulloch. So I thought it looked really neat. I usually really get into the covers of the books. All right, part 1, Jinx. Smoke rises from the tip of the soldering iron, my eyes watering as I stare at the motherboard through the microscope. I don't dare blink, not until I finish melting the silver solder with its rosin core flux into miniature peaks, connecting the loose components together. I count the seconds in my head as the solder dries. 1, 2. The butterfly lifts its delicate mechanical wings, opening and closing the intricately detailed triangles of metal as it runs through system checks. Whir, click, a small vibration signals the okay. Yes, I jump to my feet and dance, rocking my hips in time to the victory music in my head. Mom rushes in from the kitchen. You did it! Why don't you check? She nods and says to me, Petal. It takes a second for the command to register, but the butterfly flaps its wings, lifting up to land on her hand. Mom's face glows, reflecting back the stream of text and emails that Petal projects onto the flat of her palm. Looks like she works to me. Oh, that sounds really neat. It's like a mechanical butterfly. So you guys can always come in and check this out. Thanks.